Varo is a mobile banking app that offers a checking-style account, savings features, and early direct deposit access for eligible users, while Current focuses more on real-time spending control and budgeting visibility in one simple app. By the end, you'll know which one fits better depending on whether you want stronger saving features or clearer day-to-day spending control. Start with the core difference. Varo is built around banking and saving. Current is built around spending awareness and budgeting clarity. That difference shapes everything you get from each app. Now look at everyday banking. Varo gives you a debit card linked to a mobile banking account, so you can spend directly and manage money like a traditional bank, but from your phone. It also emphasizes saving tools that help you set money aside inside the app, instead of leaving everything in one balance. Current also gives you a debit card and mobile account access, but it focuses more on showing you where your money goes in real time. That means you can track spending by categories instead of just seeing a basic transaction list. Now, talk about getting paid early. Varo offers early direct deposit access for eligible users depending on employer setup and deposit timing. That means some users can receive their paycheck earlier than the standard banking schedule. Current also supports early deposit features depending on how your employer processes payments. Now, break down the saving versus tracking difference. Varo leans more towards saving behavior. It encourages setting money aside and building better saving habits inside the app. Current leans more towards spending visibility. It shows you patterns in your spending, so you can adjust your habits manually. Now talk about fees and structure. Both apps are mobile-first banking platforms, and features can depend on account type and usage. That means the experience can vary slightly depending on how you use each app and which features you enable. Now make the decision simple. If your main goal is building savings habits and keeping money organized inside one banking app, Varo fits better. If your main goal is understanding and controlling day-to-day spending in real time, Current is usually the better choice. Quick summary. Varo focuses on banking with strong saving tools. Current focuses on spending visibility and budgeting insight. Both offer mobile banking with early deposit features depending on eligibility. One practical next step. Check your biggest money problem, saving more or tracking spending, and match it to the app instead of comparing every feature. Like and subscribe for clear, simple app comparisons without the confusion.